The second part of the Mini Beast house is to make the roof. Now we used a cross halving joint for this part. For this part here we're going to use what's called a finger joint. And a finger joint is exactly what it says. It's like your fingers interlocking like this to make the wood stronger. And to do this, again, we need to mark out the wood first. So you'll be given two pieces of softwood, like we did with the cross halving joint. Put them together with the grain, the end of the grain, with the rings on it showing, and put them in the vise. Make sure they stay together and they're level. And again, now we need to use the steel rule and a pencil for marking out. Check the length of that wood there. It's round about 117 mil. It's not critical this, but fortunately 3 is going to 117, 39 millimeters, so I can measure 39 and 39. It doesn't matter if you measure 40, it's fine. Get the square across, once again, like that. And once you've got that position there, you can take them out and use the square again, very similar to what we did with the halving joint. And go down, we don't need to go halfway down the wood. Down like that. And the other line that we need to put on now is the line that equals the thickness of the wood. So I'm just going to check the thickness of the wood. 16 mil. So put that on there. A little line at 16. And again, every time use the square. Square gives you a square line. Like that. Take it across. I'm going to use a slightly bigger square. So it goes all the way across. You might find this easier to do actually sitting on the bench. Like that. Alright. Once you've got that marked out, on one piece of wood we're going to take the middle out, on the other piece of wood we're going to take the two outsides out. So I'm going to mark in the waste on this wood, which is the two outsides, and on the other piece, there's one I did a little bit earlier, we mark out the middle, and then hopefully when we saw those they will slot together.